Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Tanya Batra. I am a pediatric dental resident currently practicing in Delhi. I have been into practice for more than 4 years now, and my journey in BDS started way back in 2012. First of all, I would like to welcome you all to this amazing platform of MedBound. This video is not going to be a boring session. This video is basically just to know all of you and taking help from all of you so that you guys could suggest what all topics you face difficulty in your dental curriculum. Secondly, all those dental students who have just joined the dental curriculum, firstly welcome to this amazing world of dentistry, and all the interns who have joined this platform. Soon you people are going to step out of your college and be wonderful doctors, and I'm sure you all will perform very good and will achieve all of your dreams. But definitely all of the topics which you people are facing difficulty in, you people are always welcome to message in the comment section, and we will definitely try to make good and interesting videos in that particular topics, and would definitely get back to you. So thank you for listening to us.